Okay, so in this video we're going to cover Ecomi, OMI. I actually found Ecomi here in 2021. I bought a massive bag of it because back then it was crazy. There's NFT crazy and everything like that. It instantly pumped to 1 cent. So I made nice amounts of gains there, and I sold around here. Somewhere at the top prices, because I've been in crypto since 2017, and I remember like this was insane gem back then. I think that right now Ecomi, they have been building so many years. I'm sad that these type of tokens don't get the credit they deserve. I'm super sad. There's so many these type of really good projects. Ecomi is definitely a gem, but I'm like, it's crazy that these don't get any kind of like appreciation. They have a real business model. They launch new IP, they have their real IPs, and it's crazy. Like there's the troll meme right now that they have IP rights to a freaking troll picture of a troll, which is like, it's weird. So, but these guys have literally Disney, all the biggest ones except Pokemon that would take Ecomi to the moon, and I want to talk about that in this video. Anyway, by the way, Ecomi, if you're somebody who is in the deep in the community, they don't. I tried to on CoinMarketCap and also CoinGecko. They don't have the Ecomi website. It takes to Ecomi Notion site. So you might want you want to Google Ecomi if you want to get to their website. The website look exactly the same as it looked when it launched. I think that they should update the website. It looks I would definitely start by making a better website. Maybe some kind of like a video here. And this text here, it's too long for people to like understand here. So they are even missing headline here. I'm a marketer and website designer, so I like this. Maybe even a video just showing how the app works, or somebody using the augmented reality and everything like that. Anyway, so I bought this. This is basically made when I was using Ecomi and Bebe. I think that I have these jokers, and then I have Harlequins, and then I have the old school, some Batmans and stuff like that. But anyway, so they have the Bebe app, and this is kind of like the main website. The Ecomi is just for the token. So yeah, so let's look at here. Okay, they have some launches here going on, some banners here. Okay, this website looks super old school, but if it works, it works. Right now with AI you can make so much better. I would definitely in crypto space you might want to have a little bit of better website, right? Here you can see the augmented reality stuff. Why not show this also? Yeah, anyway, so it's very interesting to see that these type of like super good tokens don't get any kind of like or project any kind of like attention at all. Sorry. It's all-time low price. Well, this was all-time low price, but this was like they didn't have like the product. I can't remember like what year the product actually launched, but here it got like picked up. So right now, after it got picked up, we are at all-time low prices. Now the thing is that the token supply has been massive. The tokens have been just kind of like sitting there. Right now they implemented. I've been looking at this. There's still huge OMI community out there. So there's a lot of people who deserve the pump, who deserve they have been holding for years. There's a lot of like super collectors. And the thing with Ecomi is like it's a digital assets, NFTs, and the app makes revenue. Yeah, so it's very hard in very hard in crypto that there's this type of project. So I definitely hope so there's been updates. So this guy has been bull posting here, and he's a very head of community partners and growth on Ecomi, doing excellent job, by the way. This guy knows what he's doing. So there's these new updates coming to Ecomi, and already one of them, for example, I think that if you buy was it like using USD? I've been looking at so many projects. I think it was because Pump1 also released, if you buy with USD, it burns more tokens, or was it Ecomi? But anyway, when you buy now Ecomi token, it burns the tokens. I think this was 10% for Ecomi, that's a huge, because there's already people using it, and the more people use it, the more it will go. And also they have I think it's when base launched, they bridged the base, which is very good. And then also they are launching the thing that I think that I've been looking at so many projects. There's so many more projects doing similar stuff or similarly updating. Like when you buy the NFT, you can you basically can hold it anywhere. You don't have to hold it inside the Ecomi, the VV app. But there's massive updates, and they're still launching. They're still it's crazy to see that the price is so low. So, but there's still nice volume. Like you can see, there's a lot of some projects that the volume has just dried up to 10,000 day, but they're still pulling 1 million day trading volume. So there's definitely people on it, and it's a one of the highest quality projects out there with the real team and real use case. Their real revenue. They're not going to run out of money. A lot of crypto projects there's no there's, for example, if you know the CDFI, the S fund, they basically just run out. They run out of. It doesn't generate any revenue, so it's kind of like a. Let me see if I can see. I don't know why it's not. Chart looks weird here. It doesn't even track it's an older project. But anyway, so it's run out of money because it doesn't generate any revenue. But Ecomi literally just generates massive amounts of revenue. So with every launch, and there's a passive the guys who are on Ecomi, it's the community is super strong. Let me just say that it's full of fun, smart, happy people. It's not this kind of a toxic environment, which I like, because look at the chart. It has done nothing, literally not. It skipped the last bull run. It's grinding the new lows here, but people are just anyway we believe in this project because you can actually use the app. The app is amazing. The launch are really good, and they are making it better and better. And I remember buying the NFTs here, and it was but let's say there was 100 pieces. The app just lagged and everything like that. But you couldn't get anything. But now they have launched the auto. Let's actually look at here. The auto, you just tap it on. If you have funds, it automatically buys it. So which is super great. So you can see here, for example, Star Wars on VB. There's really 81k views here on this. This is a real deal. So I'm super excited for projects these to finally get the opportunity they deserve. Because if this people understand, if this would get mass adopted, the token would go insane. The NFT markets would go this is the catalyst for the whole market. It's a real use case. It's a very nice, amazing way to become a collector. You would if you are people are collecting kind of a plastic things, but it's very hard to sell them, and they rot and depreciate. But these are just even though it's a digital, but you own it. You 100% own it. That it's yours. So I'm very excited to see they are still building, they are still rocking and rolling. So amazing. Right now I personally don't have position on Ecomi, but I'm really after seeing the updates and the burns and everything like that, and look at it's ridiculous. It has been just grinding lower lows and just lows every single day for years, but the community is strong, and I like that they are updating it. They're making it better every day. And the updates, the token burn is incredible. That is really I think people don't understand how big of a deal that is, because these guys are not going. They're going to keep shipping, and they have the digital rights, the IPs, and massive amounts of these are the best collector app there is. I mean, because if you look at Ethereum and OpenSea and stuff their stuff, there's no IP rights there. It's just all over the place. But Ecomi, they have everything that it takes. Now it's just a matter of the crypto narrative and also like getting the project to the place where it can really start pumping. And of course, like I talked about in the beginning, people were talking about Pokemon IPs here. Like if there's a season 1 Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, like a Charmander, Charizard, and that, like those, if like that is the golden ticket for this project in my opinion. Even like if they can get the freaking Pokemon, that's it. That's GG. This will become the biggest thing ever. But the Pokemon IP is so massive, and they made their own, like the game, the Pokemon Go and stuff like that. So they are holding onto it because it's literally the future of the IPs, for Pokemon. So they are looking hard to do what to do with the NFTs. They're still looking at the market. Super excited to see how it turns out. But if they, for example, got it, it would be insane. So I personally think that Ecomi at some point will make new all-time highs. And from here, it is literally freaking 100x, baby. It is like no cap 100x opportunity. I think that Ecomi is 100x to even 1000x opportunity, but ain't no telling how long it will take. And also ain't no telling if it happens, but the opportunity is real. And with this kind of prices, the risk reward is highly, like, it's enjoying the low risk, high return spectrum, because there's the the daily revenue, there is massive community, the founders are just like excellent, and they are making it better and better every day and launching new opportunities. And also, like, if you think about like the older, everything that they launches you can trade. Like it's I would be interested to see the daily revenue of Ecomi, like how much really they make. I don't know exact business model, like how much money they, get from a launch and from the IP rights, like how much goes to the IP rights holders and stuff like that. But they are making money because it's been growing, and in a sense, like they have been making it better and better and better. I think that the website should be better. I personally think that these websites are not the quality that I would like to see. In a sense, like it looks really good. It looks really good, but in crypto space, it's not like I wouldn't be like yeah. So that's the only thing. But if it works for them, it works. What I'm here to, like, they are the project owners and they know what is best for their project. But I would start with making the websites a little bit more, a little bit more 2026. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, let's look at actually here. Let's click some of your brands. There's even the new avatar here. It's like, look at this. It is like it's not even. I remember when the Lamborghini launched. That was fun. It's not even fair to other projects like this. I mean, come on. You can even get the free. Why is this not the first thing when I go to the website? People love, like, maybe even have an opt-in. Join now, Veve, and get a free collectible, and then just give some kind of like a small thing, it could be anything, and get like build email list and stuff like that. By the way, I'm building email list. I love doing email. If you want to see the daily crypto newsletter that I'm doing, you can check out the first link in the description or go to Altcoin Hawk. I cover all kinds of coins. Like I said, I've been in crypto since 2017, and then the 2017 bull run, 2021 bull run, now the last bull run. Ecomi totally skipped the last bull run. A lot of projects did, but it's okay. The opportunity is still huge. Yeah, I mean, yeah, these guys, if they can give like free collectible, it should be here. Get free collectible, then opt-in pop-up, get a free collectible. Because it's just that there's people coming to this website, when they come here and they just leave. Might as well get their information, right? So, by the way, if you need help with this, I can help with this. I can put all my time, money, and energy into making the websites the best possible opportunities, and A/B split test all kinds of like things to get better growth. And I bet digital collectibles on Google search would like they have some kind of volume. So I think that they don't even have do they have a blog, like a real blog that could get like free traffic there? Because might as well get free traffic. Anyway, so that's beyond the point. Follow for more update videos. If I get tons of comments on Ecomi, I can do every day. I can do this every day. Anyway, thank you so much and peace out.